Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm gonna unbox this. These are the watch stainless steel wrist band for Samsung S3 Frontier Classic or the new and latest Samsung Galaxy watch, the one with the 46 millimeter, or it is also equivalent to the 22 millimeter watch band. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. I bought this out of these two are from the same seller, and then I'm not sure why this one somehow it come. I guess the seller has two different stores. So one is for the Jolly Dash Ink, and these two are from the Beyond Dash Ink. So I guess he owns two companies because it came from the same address. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed real quick. So this one is the one with the magnetic band. My lens stainless steel. And it comes with the three of the pin. Make sure I don't lose it. So I see it is magnetic. So this is pretty nice. Not sure if I could take it out, so let me check. Yep, yeah, it's pretty simple and easy. So this is my Galaxy watch, the new and latest one. So I bought this from a different seller last time, and you guys were wondering how much I paid, what did I pay for it, where did I get it. I'm going to include the link for this new seller, which is buy one, get one, the second one 25% off. Hopefully the deal is still going on. You gotta be sure to know, you gotta know which one is what direction and stuff like that. Let's see. Oops. So the strap will be going like this. Okay. Wow, it's so long. just like that. Then I'm gonna take it apart. I don't want to scratch my sensor on the back. I'll make it longer. I think somehow this one might be too big. See, it's kind of fit tight. Never mind, it fits nicely now. Oh my God, it's too long. So it's supposed to be magnet like that, but it is too big for me. So we're gonna have a problem. Unless your wrist is bigger. All right, and then that's for this one. Let's go ahead and check out the other two. So this is what it look like in case you guys have a bigger wrist. Almost like a see-through. So let's go ahead and then check out the other three. The rest of them are supposed to come with the tools. So this is the black color, and they come with this tool. They also come with those 3 extra pins. So it's exactly same as this one, just black. I like this one very much. It fits pretty nice and feels premium. So all you do is just put the watch band in there and then push the pin through to take out the pin for the watch band to adjust the size. And then I bought a gold one and then a rose gold. All the color that they have. And this is the rose gold. Come the 3 pins. And then let's go check out the last one, the gold color. Again, you get the 3 pins, extra pins. Kind of give you guys an idea what it look like on your wrist. And this is the silver stainless steel one. Alright, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell for notification, so whenever I drop new and latest video, you can check it out instantly. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Like always, peace. I will include a link within the description. Alright, so you guys can check out if you guys want to buy or not. It's up to you. I am not sponsored with the seller. Thank you for watching. Peace.